Welcome to day 4 of my 30 days of eating healthy meals challenge. Investing in your body and mind is the most valuable investment you can make with long-term goals in your overall quality of life, energy levels, and resilience. This 30-day challenge is not about losing weight, but about feeling good. The same way I like to feel good externally, it's the same way I want to feel internally. After 30 days, we can get back to all the cooking and the baking. And in my efforts to motivate you, I will also be telling you all the amazing changes that my body has been going through for the past 4 days. It's amazing. It's day 4 and I feel amazing. My metabolism is at an all-time high. So today I am going to finish up all the perishable items that I have in my fridge so that I can go to the supermarket and replenish. I am going to be doing some sauteed potatoes, and I'm cutting my potatoes into 1/4 inch slices, and I am adding some onions to this. Since I did some research on onions, I decided that I want to eat loads and loads of onions, but not just onions, because onions can give you that breath. So we're going to do sauteed onions. Into my cast iron skillet, I am adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and in goes my sliced onions. I'm going to mix this, and I'm trying to get a little bit of caramelization happening. And once the caramelization have begun, just like this, I am going to go in with my potatoes, because potatoes take the longest to cook in this recipe. I don't want the potatoes to be mushy. I just want them to be nice and pork tender so that they retain all the nutrients. I'm going in with some green bell peppers, some dry parsley, some thyme. I'm going in with some black pepper and some potato seasoning that I also use in soups. I'm also going to add a little bit of garlic powder and some vegetable bouillon, along with some sliced carrots. I like my carrots to be a little bit al dente so that I can get the best nutrients out of it. Overall, this recipe is going to take about 15 minutes to cook. And while I'm going to allow it to cook, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to it. Not too much salt, because salt retains water. Once the potatoes have been cooked to my liking, I am going to go in with just a little bit of green onion to finish things off. And this is about done. Next up, I am going to make some chicken wings. I have 2 pounds of chicken wings that I removed the tip off of, because the tip has a lot of fat. And I'm going to make this a healthy way, because I'm going to use my air fryer to make this. And at the end of the video, be on the lookout to see how much grease came out of these chicken wings. I am seasoning this with some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, some chicken bouillon, a little bit of garlic powder, some dry herbs, and lastly some salt. I'm going to mix this up, and in goes my air fryer. So let's talk about how I feel. Before I say how I feel, I just want to encourage you to listen to your body. Sometimes we like all the nice delicious food, the cheese, the salt, the sugars, etc. But it's okay sometimes to just take a little break. Sometimes your body is crying out in many different ways. Sometimes you may feel bloated, you may feel sluggish, etc. That's your body crying out. So how have I been feeling for the past 4 days? I have been feeling amazing. I wake up with loads and loads and loads of energy. I sleep extremely well. My stomach has reduced from any bloating, and because I have been juicing as well, my body isn't retaining as much water as it used to. I used to have some headaches, and those headaches have since left me. But after 30 days, we're going to get back to our usual schedule. So be encouraged today to take a break, listen to your body, eat healthy, eat right. Even if it's only 7 days, a little goes a very long way. Make that investment into your body. Look as good as you feel and feel as good as you look. If this video has somehow encouraged you, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell so that you can receive day 5 to day 30. Share the video and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you on day 5.